Machine wider machining range, like wood, MDF, aluminum, plastic, foam, etc. The 4-axis rotary device is conveniently for round materials working. The machine can do engraving, carving, drilling, cutting, milling, grooving work, and many other different works. Rotary axis does not occupy the working area of the machine. It is easy to be disassembled and cleaned. It is widely used for processing cylinder materials such as table legs, chair legs, stairs. The machine is controlled by the handheld controller, which ensures that the machine can be operated by computer. It supports 3-axis, 4-axis function, and multi-spindle. With enhanced welding technicals, we supply the best CNC machine kits with good stability, longer lifespan, and amazing accuracy rate.